Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever noticed that when it comes to AI tools like Anthropic's Claude, people usually fall into one of two completely opposite camps? On one side, you have professionals who think AI is an absolute superpower that saves them 20 hours a week. On the other side, you have people who try it a couple of times, shrug their shoulders, and say, it's completely useless. It just spits out generic corporate fluff. Why is there such a massive divide? Is the model working better for some people than others? The answer is no. The difference almost never lies in the model itself, it lies entirely in how you ask the questions. Today, we are breaking down the most common pitfalls for beginners, starting with the psychological traps that are killing your productivity. Pitfall 1. Overthinking the prompt. The very first mistake beginners make is overthinking the prompt. They treat the AI like it's either a magical mind-reading genie or a rigid command-line computer code from the 1990s. They write these long, convoluted sentences trying to use complex jargon, and the whole thing just gets messy. Here is the secret: don't overthink the prompts. Think of prompts as essentially just how you assign tasks to your human colleagues at work. If you hired a talented new assistant and you wanted them to draft a client email, you wouldn't just type a single vague sentence and walk away. But you also wouldn't speak to them in robotic code. You would just tell them plainly what you need, what the context is, and how you want the final layout to look. Treat Claude exactly the same way. Speak clearly, directly, and naturally. Pitfall 2. Vague input versus actionable results. This leads us right into the second major pitfall: vague inputs. There is a direct correlation between the clarity of your question and the utility of the response. Let's look at a concrete rule of thumb: the more vague your input, the more Claude's output resembles writing an essay for you. On the flip side, the clearer your input, the more it resembles delivering a real result. If you open up Claude and type, "Write me a blog post about marketing," what happens? Claude gives you a broad, boring, 5-paragraph essay full of cliches like in today's fast-paced world. It wrote an essay because your prompt was an essay prompt. But if you change your input to, act as an SEO copywriter, draft a 500-word product description for an eco-friendly water bottle, highlighting 3 specific durability features, using a punchy and conversational tone, you aren't getting an essay anymore. You are getting a tailored business asset. You are getting a delivered result. The golden rule: garbage in, garbage out. If you take away only one lesson from this audio guide, let it be this golden rule: garbage input equals garbage output. AI models are incredibly advanced, but they are not mind readers. They operate purely on the context, parameters, and clarity that you provide. If you feed the machine lazy, unstructured, thoughtless data, it will hand you back a lazy, unstructured, thoughtless response. The next time Claude gives you an answer that feels completely useless, don't blame the software. Take a hard look at what you typed into that chat box. Did you actually give it enough information to succeed? Or did you hand it garbage and expect a miracle? Outro and action steps. So, here is your challenge for this week: the next time you open up Claude to tackle a task, take an extra 30 seconds before hitting enter. Pretend you are sending a Slack message to a smart colleague. Give it a specific role, give it clear constraints, and watch how fast your output changes from a generic essay into a professional result. What are you building with Claude today? Are you stuck on a specific workflow, or is there a prompt that keeps giving you generic responses? Drop your examples in the comments below, and let's troubleshoot your prompts together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more advanced AI tutorials, and we'll see you in the next episode.